Pachi.
Hello everyone, we're back again at our kitchen in the family office where I'm showing you a beautiful kitchen of the ones we design and bring from Italy for our construction, and where I work, but not cooking. I cook in my test kitchen. So I'm going to show you the second part of our video on cooking quickly and never wasting any food. So what we're going to talk about is fruit. And I have a dehydrator, but you can buy dried fruit without sugar anywhere. So here we have lemons, apples, we've got some kiwi. If the kiwi is sweet, you're going to have sweet dry fruit. Otherwise, you're not. But you can add it to drinks, to tea, to many other things. My favorite are the orange slices. Ooh, I love these. These are the ones I have every single night instead of going for something sweet because I have a very sweet tooth. And then we have pears. Apples, pears. These are the ones that I get right now with the season. But you can do the fruit that you have during the season. It is really, really easy to do. The secret is to have a mandolin or a very sharp knife. There's something else. With the orange, I slice them with the skin. These have to be sliced with a knife. The reason I slice them with the skin is because I love the tartness with the sweetness of the orange. You don't have to do it with the skin, but it's much easier. They hold up better in the dryer. And then you can just take off the skin, no problem. Let me find one that's, you see, you go like this. The skin comes all out. And you see, it's like a beautiful side to your orange. And there you have the skin, and here you have your beautiful dried orange. Now, there's something else you can do. You can get some of the rind from the orange, and you can dry it. Just leave it out with the herbs or refrigerate it. Always in any kind of material that is not plastic. Plastic is not going to let it dry. I wish you could smell this. It's absolutely amazing. And here we have our beautiful orange. I use it a lot for salads, for pork, for seafood. I use the orange rind. But I use the orange rind. Let me open it up a little bit. And the lemon rind and the lime rind. So it depends. Which color do you want? Which ones do you find in the market? And that's it. You can actually add them to the dried fruit. And voila, have something beautiful. Same thing with the orange. If you're going to make orange juice or something, or you're going to dry it, then you take out some of the peel and keep it, dry it. When it dries, you mix it with pepper or you mix it with turmeric and pepper, and it's divine for tea, for seasoning, for anything. And here you have it, just the same. Here it goes. All the green, the orange, or the yellow part without the white, so that it's not tart. Here it has some more. We're going to add it to our fruit. So these you can't slice in the mandolin because unless you have a super powerful like food processor that can slice really thinly, then you can. The apples and pears I usually slice with everything inside, and I'm going to show you why. Mandolins are not expensive anymore, but you have to do this, guys. Mandolins are not expensive anymore. I mean, you can find them anywhere. I can tell you which one I buy, write the name, but I don't get any royalties, so you can buy the one you want. And then once you have them like this, you can place them in the rack of your dryer. This is a brand new dryer I bought because mine's like 20 years old and still works. And all you have to do is place them on the rack, turn on the dryer. Every dryer has a setting and you'll see which one it is. And you see that most of the center comes out, and so do the seeds. They don't stay in there. So you can just put it in there. They sit there and dry for different kinds of hours, but pears, apples come out first. Oranges and kiwi take a little bit longer. And then we are perfectly done. I'm going to show you how they come out from mine. And this is it. Normally, when they come out, you're going to have to kind of peel some. Some of them, you see, they need to be peeled. And then all we have to do is just place them in a container where you can keep them outside. So we just have our fruit. You leave them over the counter and you can snack anytime you want. So here we have apples. Here we have our oranges that are dry. And we just pick them up like this. Put them all together or separate them, whichever you'd rather do. Don't throw away the ones that are at the ends of the oranges that look a little odd, because they make beautiful decoration on top of salads. The fact that they're not totally round and they come out like shapeless like these makes them so much prettier when you use them. Check here out. Detaching some of the apples and the pears, and you see that nothing in the center stays, so you don't have to cut them, take out the center. Look at this. The ones that have a shape are so much prettier than the ones that are completely flat. So it's perfect. Use these at any time. They make a beautiful decoration for your salad and add the aromas. You can also add it into olive oil. You can add it anywhere you want. Coconut oil. And they're going to release some of their flavors, the oils, into the oil. It's beautiful. So whatever fruit you have in the season, you can slice and dry. We have lemons and limes here. You see we have some yellow and some green. We have the apples, the oranges, the pears, the kiwi. And if you have any other fruit that has a pit, slice it through the middle, turn it, remove the pit, and then slice it with your knife. Dry it. It's going to take a little longer. Not as long as the orange, maybe, because the orange is more wet, or maybe just the same if they're the same size. And you're going to have dry fruit all year long after the season without having to buy older fruit. So you go with the season, buy the ones that you like, the ones that are at the farmer's market, and the ones that you can get best, and then just buy any other you want during the rest of the year. So you'll never have to can them or do anything strange that takes up a lot of space, even though the dryer takes up some space, but you can also buy them. And that's it. I've had mine for over 10 years. It's a little bigger than that. I keep it in the back, just take it out to dry things and then store it back again. And it's been storing and being used for, like I say, I think what, like 14 years. It's perfect. It just plug, unplug, turn the time and temperature. They normally have colors for the different fruits or vegetables. And that's it. Put them in, take them out. When you take them out, they are all perfect, dry, and ready to store. So that is our second part of things that you can do in your kitchen so you don't have to cook every day, and always use all of the food without any of it being spoiled. Here we go. We're going to take a moment for the third part.